Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisokho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Ngibona i-message lana bafethu umkhulu uSithole uthi how about kuzanywe laphana uShinga kule position le kaMthethwa for i-competition. Uthi umbono wakhe and then uthi kuzanywe uVelebayi no-Ighodaro noSilva laphana phambili. Funny enough uthi akuzanywe uShinga kule position kaMthethwa. I wanna go back. Kaizer Chiefs my announcer ulo uShinga yazi yathini Kaizer Chiefs yathi basayina umdlali odlala i-left back but versatile okwaziyo ukudlala ne-midfielder. Uyakwazi ukuyidlala la position le. Kusho ukuthi le position le kaMthethwa uShinga angakwazi ukuyidlala angafitha perfect kuleyo position leyo. Futhi uShinga i-versatility yakhe iyakwazi ukumbeka nalaphana ku-wing back ngoba uyathanda ukuya phambili. Sambona igame against le team le yaseGhana ukuthi wadlala kahle kangakanani. Just that obvious ama-opportunities kuye kuma-official games akawatholi that much. But-ke o-coach bangakwazi uku-improvise bambeke laphana phambili, bambeke ku-midfielder ukuthi uMthethwa abe ne-competition. If akusiyilanga likaMthethwa uthola ukuthi uluze amagame amaningi uMthethwa and then angakwazi-ke uShinga ukudlala kuleyo position. Ne-Kaizer Chiefs official statement bayisho lento le. So this could work wonders. This could shape and change izinto ze-Kaizer Chiefs. And uShinga is comfortable on the ball. Une-flair, une-skill, unezinto ey'ningi ngempela ongazibheka kuye laphana as a-player in terms of i-contribution angayi-add-a ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Umuntu ongabasiza kakhulu kuma-different position. If bayambona ukuthi ku-left back akekho good or bayabona ukuthi i-competition tight kakhulu, then switch him. Kunama-position la uthola ukuthi kunomuntu oyi-one. Kule position kaMthethwa uye kuphela ongakwazi ukudlala leya position. And then into abangayenza ukuthi bathole umuntu okwaziyo ukudefenda because of umuntu odlala leya position kumele akwazi ukuprotecta i-defense or i-backline. So perfect message, perfect suggestion le. It's an opinion but I think for me it's perfect. And then masiya laphana phambili uVelebayi kumele replace uModi. But guess what? Khona into bafethu ku-Kaizer Chiefs ayela angazi ukuthi okay, I don't wanna attack coach but uModi udlala ku-left wing, right? Bamshayisa ngebhenchi bathatha uLilepo bambeke lapho ngoba manje sebadla and i-position kaLilepo yiphi kahle kahle ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I-position yakhe yile okudlala khona uVilakazi. Njengoba manje baqala uVilakazi, uLilepo bathi ngeke bamkhiphe bona, badlaliswa uVilakazi that side akaLilepo and then ba-sacrifice umuntu ba-sacrifice uModi. Kanti uModi mabamsacrifice kumele bamsacrifice ngobani? At least ngoVelebayi because uVelebayi yi-position a-comfortable kuyo-ke le kudlala khona uModi. But kuVelebayi bamdlalisanga kusho ukuthi abakamthembi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi angakwazi ukulida i-Kaizer Chiefs adlala amagame amaningi. Bamnike i-opportunity because of i-Kaizer Chiefs beyilida laphana. So they saw ukuthi okay, let's give him an opportunity. That's what they said. I assume ukuthi I'm trying to quote them. Ngiyazi ukuthi ayikho i-official quotes but I'm trying to quote them the way abayenza izinto ngakhona. uVelebayi kumele adlale laphana. If baqala ngoVilakazi kumele uLilepo aqale ebhenchini. But-ke they don't have that bravado persona yokuthi benze leyo nto leyo. Bafuna uLilepo ahlezi edlala bafowethu even if bamove from i-position yakhe bambeka kwenye i-position. And then leyo nto i-sacrifice-ani ukuthi abanye abadlali bangatholi ama-opportunities. Ighodaro noSilva laphana phambili if bangalida i-Kaizer Chiefs, I think kuzoba ne-power ne-strength. I think would be i-Kaizer Chiefs izoba feared in a way, in a sense that bane-strike eziwu-2 ezine-aggression laphana phambili. If they can twin or pair these strikers laphana phambili, it means that the sense of aggression and that would change the style of play to play to play ama-balls laphana phakathi ukusquare amabhola amaningi because uSilva sekasibonisile ukuthi uyakwazi ukuheader. U-Ighodaro siyamazi-ke bafowethu unamagoli amaningi abo ku-Betway Premiership or ku-PSL ukuthi uyakwazi ukuheader. So change i-dynamic ne-style of play. Ama-coach we-Kaizer Chiefs akumelanga asabe ukudlala i-style is-different uku-accommodate ama-player amasha bawadlalise according to i-strength sabo. So I think this is just a good opinion in terms of ukuthi bangadlala kanjani laphana as i-Kaizer Chiefs. And then I'm seeing something engifuna ukukhomenta kuyo bafowethu. Ngikhulume ngo-Inacio Miguel, ngibona i-message laphana kubhuti uHappy Ngwenya uthi into engingayikhuluma and then abantu bavele bangayifuni ukuyikhola into yakhona. Ngisebenzela i-agent, ngiyazi ukuthi ama-agent amanipulate ama-team kangakanani bafowethu. So uthi la In terms of i-contract ibalulekile ngempela i-contract ukuthi sometimes kunama-clause athi ama-player kumele adlale let's say ama-games awungakhi and stuff like that kuma-season. Uthi ama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs angacomplain-a ngo-Inacio Miguel but-ke ungathola ukuthi kune-obligation ekumele adlale ethi akadlali u-Inacio Miguel straight from injury but kunama-player aphefomayo but-ke straight to i-starting lineup yena. It could be a matter of leyo contract leyo obligation and stuff. Asazi ngempela ukuthi kwenzakalani. But-ke I think nama-team kumele azame bafethu ukuthi angazifaki ey'nkingeni ukuthi asayine ama-contract lawa awaholda hostage ukuthi adlalise ama-player noma ubone ukuthi le player leli at this current moment alideserve ukudlala, right? But-ke let's move endabeni ezibuhlungu ezinye but-ke azikho buhlungu ngaleyo ndlela but-ke ziyathusa because of ama-accident ayenzeka laphana emgwaqeni. Imoto ngifuna ukukhuluma nge-Marumo Gallants. Imoto izolo e-Marumo Gallants ebusuku they were involved car accident. Beba-travel-a from eThekwini. Yes, la bebadlala ne-Golden Arrows bebabuya from e-KZN baye eBloemfontein bathola-ke i-car accident kwashayisana iy'moto. But-ke lucky enough akekho umuntu olimale from ethimini. I don't know leza imoto lezi laphana phansi ey'ncane lezi ey'shayise ibhasi labo ukuthi zikanjani because ngiyibonile ezinye y'thintekile ngempela. But-ke ngithi if khona abantu abathintekile abanye laba abahamba ngey'moto ey'ncane because of isikhathi esiningi sinaka abantu abadumile or abantu esicabanga ukuthi ba-important abadlala e-TV. But-ke if khona abathintekile kule moto ey'ncane ngithi bakwazi uku-recover-a fast sithembe ukuthi abantu abathintekanga kakhulu noma abalimelanga. Bafethu Phuso Dithejana nabafana be-TS Galaxy assist yet again umdlali we-Kaizer Chiefs. Umdlalo osuke manje ukudidisa i-team we-Kaizer Chiefs but mayiseka laphana. NoMahlambi badlala kahle kakhulu abadlali. Yibo but into engizoyisho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs akumelanga bayeke ulokhu njani umphathi we-TS Galaxy ukuthi abaskeme ngama-players. No, they shouldn't do that. They mustn't do that in fact. Abalanda ama-player abafuna ukwalanda bona ba-comfortable ngawo they don't I mean akumelanga vele bayeke ukuthi u-team sikwazi uyakwazi ukumaketha ama-players wakhe and then uzobathengisela ngemali ethe xaxa yabo ngoba ama-player aphefoma kahle kakhulu. So bona basayina ama-player abafuna ukuwasayina ababona ukuthi anga-contribute to i-course ye-Kaizer Chiefs or i-system ye-Kaizer Chiefs overall. But yeah man, abadlali be-TS Galaxy baphefoma kahle kakhulu. I mean abo-Dithejana I think bayadeserve ukuya at least maybe kuma-Europe if like i-European office izoba khona then bayafuna ukudevelopa to the highest level. Fisela inhlanhla abafana laphana. Kaizer Chiefs, Inacio Miguel, ngaze une-contract ethi kumele udlale na? That's the question. Danko bafethu. Ngingakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.